Hello my Lego friends, you're gonna want to see this. What if I told you your random pile of bricks could magically sort itself? Well, it can't, but this app comes impressively close. It's called Pilometer, and when I scanned a random heap of Lego, it told me what parts I have, in which colours, where to find them, and what I could actually build. Sounds like sci-fi. Well, let's go check out if it actually works. The best way to learn is to follow along. So hit pause, go grab Pilometer from the App Store or Google Play, or just head to pilometer.app in your browser. It's free to try and the links are in the description, so why not give it a go? The first time you open the app, it will go through a quick setup. It's going to ask you how your Lego is currently sorted. We'll pick pile of bricks, and then it asks what you want out of it. You can pick what suits you here. I'm going to choose set up a storage system and find pieces fast. It'll show you how to use the app based on your goals. Now, verify you're over 13, log in. I'm using my Google account, and you can either try Pro or select skip in the top right corner. Here's what the app looks like when you're logged in. You'll see my inventory already because I've done a few scans. To scan your parts, lay down 2 sheets of printer paper side by side, long edges touching. Spread out 100 to 200 bricks so they're not touching, and make sure their key features are clearly visible. In the app, tap Add. Take a top-down photo and you'll see a quick animation before it starts scanning. So this is made by the same company that made the Brickit app. I think it's based on the same technology. Now on this screen we need to adjust the bounding boxes. We can zoom with 2 fingers, drag to move, and check that every part is boxed. To add one, tap the plus button, position it by dragging, and resize using the green corners. You can tap the screen to lock it in, and if you need to delete one, tap on the box, hit delete, boom, done. Once everything's good, hit done to move on. Let's check if the AI got the parts right. If not, tap the part and look at the suggestions. Still not right? Well, you can browse by category. You can scroll down and have a look through the options. And if you long press on one, it will bring up the category, and then you can find it from there. If a whole lot of parts are wrong, you can long press on one and tap on the others to select a batch. The same goes for colors. Long press on one, tap on all the misidentified ones, even across pages, and then assign the right color. It's a smart system, but it works best when you know how to guide it. Once you're happy with the shapes and colors, write the scan number on a Ziploc bag. You can customize the name too. I'll show you that in a sec. Drop all the scanned parts into the bag and store it in a tote for later. I sort mine by type, so I'm putting them where they belong. So we hit done and that's it, we're all finished. We can go back in and rename the scan. Multi-line names work. Parts are automatically sorted by type, or we can tap on a color if we want to sort it that way. To fix anything in the scan, tap the pencil icon and repeat the earlier steps. It's all editable, so don't worry about messing up. So, at the end of the day, no, I don't think this app is going to replace my current sorting system. I like to know where things are without having to go to an app. That being said, it is great to have a digital backup, and if I'm sitting on the couch, I can quickly look up if I've got a part, or if I'm at the pick-a-brick wall, I'm not going to be doubling up on what I'm buying. So the app isn't perfect, but the devs are working on it, and with AI improving all the time, I can only see it getting better. Have you tried it yet? Let me know what you think. And what should I do? Should I try out the Pro version, do an export, maybe try and build something with the scans that I've done? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and have a great day everyone.